This is Successfull TV. Today we'll be looking at how to brand your products for small and medium entrepreneurs. If you have a small business, you are the right place, because in today's tutorial we'll be looking at how to brand your business with the minimal capital available. Before we get started, please click on the subscribe button, and please note that this tutorial is not sponsored, brought to you by Successfull TV. This method of branding, it's practical and it's very simple. For beginners, you can actually achieve this by doing a simple write-up, a computer, using the business name and the name of the product. If you don't have a computer, you can send it to a business center, give them a write-up, they'll help you. So having done that, you can print it out and have copies to be used as label on your brand. Remember, it helps your brand to stand out among your competitors. Alright, as you can see, I'm just cutting this out with scissors. This is what you have available at home. You have your scissors, you buy your tape, your transparent tape, so I'll be cutting them to sizes. As you can see, I have a 50ml containers. This depends on the product I want to package. So for you, maybe you might have a product in 20 liters, 5 liters, 4 liters container you might want to package it, so you can make your stickers to fit into whatever you want to. But I'm just showing you, using this as an example, showing you how to brand your little product, your business, so as you can see here, I'm cutting them to sizes, and please don't forget, I would like to advise that if you're starting out your business, if you're starting, I advise you to make your labels, simple, such as this. Printed in black and white is very cheap, and then you can make photocopies, cut them to sizes, and use them for your products. As time goes on, you can get the colored stickers. I'm going to show you an example of that. Please just watch this video to the end. I'll show you an example of a color sticker, how it looks like at the course of this video. So I have my transparent tape here. So also note that I designed these stickers to match the type of transparent tape I'm using, so it's not too big, it's just fitting. Okay, so turn it the other way and stick it to the face of the tape. Okay, and make sure it's smoothened, and then I'll pick it up and gum it on the body of the packaging material. This is where I'm going to put my products. So as you can see, it looks colorful right now. It looks colorful. Okay, looks colorful, and wherever this container goes to with the content inside, it speaks for itself, because it's now become a brand. It has now become a brand. That's how to build a brand, and it helps you to stand out from other competitors. Yeah, if you have a computer, better. You can do this by yourself. You can design and then print, make copies to be used for your products. Okay, very simple. Just follow the procedure. Follow the procedure. It's very simple. Please don't forget to like this video, give us thumbs up just to encourage us, and subscribe to this channel. You can share it to your friends. Share this video, this tutorial, share it in your group, share it to your friends. Encourage them to start a business. I did a video on how to start a chemical business. If you've not watched that video, please go to the playlist and watch that video to the end. How to start a chemical business. You'll see a lot of business opportunity, a lot of business ideas, chemical business ideas. You can start with very small capital. You can start this business. Yeah. So look for that video. And I also have other videos. You can watch them just to boost your understanding on chemical business. Maybe you have other business idea outside of chemicals. This branding is applicable to all kinds of small and medium businesses. So it's a must watch video. It's a must tutorial for everyone who has a little business. Okay, so just take a look at this. Let me show you this. Look at this. This is exactly what I mean. When your business grow, you can upgrade to the color levels. You can see it's a little bit different from this one. Yeah. So you can actually upgrade to this one, the colored level. Okay, so I'm about to package my products into the container, just to give you a little idea of what I'm doing. Okay, so the products have been poured in, and as you can see, it's been covered. Okay, all right, this is how far I can go for this tutorial today. Please do ensure to subscribe to this channel. In our next video, we'll be bringing to you a different way of branding. I'd like to thank every one of you for staying and supporting this channel. Thank you so much.